Saseni, karibuni sana kwa video yetu ya leo. Leo tutaendelea na functions na tutaangazia call by value katika user defined functions. Last video tulisoma juu ya function parameters in C program. Calling a function ama kuita ile function, kuna njia mbili unaweza tumia kuita function. Ya kwanza ni call by value. Call by value saa zingine unaweza pata imeandikwa pass by value, ujue ni the same thing. Alafu kuna ya pili inaitwa call by reference. So we have call by value and call by reference. Katika hii video tutasoma juu ya call by value. Hapa tunapitisha values, sio variables. So tunapitisha, we are passing values, we are not passing what? Variables. So values zinatusaidia kuita ile function definition. Yani tulisema katika function tunakuanga na declaring a function, kuna kuanga na defining a function na kuna kuanga na calling a function. When you are calling a value, unatoa value kutoka kwa function calling, unapeleka kwa function definition. Kwa hivyo ile value ya variable inapitishwa ama unapass ukitumia nini? Parameters. Kwa hivyo tunatumia parameters katika function kupitisha nini? Ile value ya variable. Sasa katika call by value kuna kuanga na value ya actual parameter. Hiyo value ya actual parameter inafanyishwa copy, inapelekwa kwa formal parameter. Kwa hivyo formal parameter inatumia ile copy ya actual parameter. Alafu zote mbili, the actual na formal, zinastoiwa ama zinawekwa katika memory location tofauti. Kwa hivyo kila moja wapo inakuwa na memory location yake. Ile value ya actual parameter iwezi badilishwa na formal parameter. Kwa hivyo value ya actual parameter inabaki the same, haitabadilika. Hapa tunaona main function. Katika main function tumecall, tumetengeneza zile actual parameter. We are calling a function here. Sasa hapa tunasema katika calling a function tunapass, we are passing the value of the parameter. Kwa hivyo hizi value ndio tunapitisha. Hapa kuko na function definition. Katika function definition, hizi parameter, hizi formal parameters zina receive the value kutoka kwa actual parameter. Kwa hivyo hapa x ina pass to a na y ina pass to b. So the actual parameters, they pass value to the formal parameters. Alafu zikipass values zinatengeneza copy. So x and y itabaki tu venye iko, lakini ikikuja hapa itakuwa copy of x and y. Kwa hivyo hapa tutatumia the copy, hatutatumia the actual variables. So program ina create copy of x and y. Tutaenda kwa code block tuandike program ndio tuone vile call by value inafanya kazi katika program. Katika code block tulisema tunaanza hapa juu na declaration. Tuna declare zile function, tuna declare function yetu void call underscore value, then we open the brackets, ndani yake tunaweka int x, then mwisho tunaweka semicolon. Now we have declared a function. Then after that, inside the main function we create the main variable. So the main variable is int a is equals to 10 semicolon. Then we say what we want to print on the screen. So we want to print a is equals to %d before function call value. So before we call a value, then we say /n, then we create another /n. Then at the end we put the value we want to print, comma a. Then we call our function. So we say call, then the function name is call, yes, that one, call value, then brackets, inside that we put a, then we put a semicolon. This is calling function. So we are calling our function. We are going to create our function. So tunatengeneza function. So tutacopy hii hapa ya definition, tutacopy hiyo hapo ya alafu hapa tuweke brackets. Ndani yake tuna print something. Even here we are supposed to print after. So here again we change this to before to after. Yes, then here we print something on the screen. We print the value of x because we have x instead of a. So we say x inside x. Inside call value. X is equals to %d. Before adding 10. /n iko hapo. Then here we say x plus equals to 10. We have created the calculation. Then we take this printf, we paste here. Then we change inside call before after. So here we have declared a function, here we have defined a function, and then here we have called the function inside the main function. Now we save the program, we build the program. So we have 0 errors and 0 warning. So we run the program. Sasa hapa tukisema call by value, tunaita ile value ambayo inatoka katika main function, tunaita katika ile function define. Hapa we have declared a value of call value with one parameter which is x. Then int a is equals to 10. So here we want to print the value of a. So we want to print the value of a before the function is called, before we call a function, kwa sababu calling a function inakuja after the printf. So hapa tunasema a is equals to 10 because a here is 10. So the value of a is still 10. So here we have said a is equals to 10 before function call value. Yes. Then we have called a. So we are calling a. So we are going to move from this a, from the main function, tuende kwa function yenyewe. Sawa sawa, hii function ya x. So this a will provide a copy. So itachukua copy. Sasa hapa badala ya x tutatumia copy ya a. Sawa sawa. So tutakuja hapa tuangalie printf inside the call value. Sasa tutacall the value of x. So x itakuwa ni 10 kwa sababu tuna call x ikiwa a. Tunatumia hii a hapa, hiyo value. Tunatumia hii value iko hapa kabla calculation ifanywe, kabla anything ifanywe. Then after that, kuna x plus is equals to 10. This one is an assignment operator. So inamaanisha x is equals to x plus 10, which x is equals to 10. So x is equals to 10 plus 10, which is 20. So inside call value, x is equals to 20. Hapa tunasema x is equals to 20 after adding value. So we have added the value here. So this one, the value of x here will be 20. So we are saying the x is 20 hapa hivi. Then we take the control back to the main function. Sasa tunaangalia after the calling function, a is equals to what? So a will be equals to 10. So the value of a will not change. It will still be 10. So hata tukiita value ya a itakuwa bado 10. Kwa sababu tukienda kucall a function tunatumia ile copy, tutumia ile original value. So the variables remain the same. Tumeandika hii program, make sure you write the code correctly to get the correct answer. Asanteni sana kwa kunisikiza, mkumbuke kulike hii video na msubscribe kwa hii channel.